OrderMaxx web framework, and today we're going to talk a little bit about AS2 and how integration can be performed within our framework. As you know, OrderMaxx easily integrates with different software programs, and we provide tools that allow you to exchange data with your primary fulfillment system. This creates an end-to-end solution from your website all the way back to your software. The basic AS2 connection allows one trading partner, A, and another trading partner, B, to securely communicate via something like an email. It's actually a secure SSL post between the two servers. So each end, for example, trading partner B has its own certificate, and trading partner A has its own certificate. So the security is accepted on one end or the other end, and communications can flow back and forth. So OrderMaxx provides standardized XML, CSV imports, and exports for AS2 connections that are easily read into other systems. And typically those fulfillment systems do the same. So this AS2 is really a communications tool over the internet to provide data back and forth to a trading partner. The neat thing about the AS2 approach to transferring data is that you can have multiple partners feeding the OrderMaxx shopping cart. We can provide different kinds of services that feed the shopping cart. And then likewise, we can actually push out from the shopping cart to multiple trading partners for fulfillment. This approach allows you to easily transfer massive amounts of data between trading partners through the OrderMaxx system. If you'd like to know more about AS2 and our software integration tools, please contact our global support team. The phone number is 866-847-4495, or visit us on our website at OrderMaxx with 2x's.com.